The modern industrial landscape is waking up, and human hands are no longer at the controls. Manual workflows are being instantly overwritten by high-speed data as thousands of automated logic commands execute flawlessly across digital dashboards in real time. Entire global infrastructures now depend completely on this unseen architecture to function, which leaves a looming threat for anyone standing on the outside of this new digital language. A stark chasm is opening between those who rely on outdated legacy processes and those who command intelligent systems. The rules of the digital economy are shifting to render isolated skill sets powerless as these highly complex, automated standards deploy across the globe at relentless speed. This is a complete rewriting of industrial survival, demanding an entirely new lexicon of proficiencies to stay relevant, and the enforcement of these new rules is happening right on the factory floor. Abstract software is colliding with heavy industry, driving massive factory automation robots with flawless precision. Orchestrating these titans requires live telemetry mapped across intricate SCADA and HMI screens, all driven by the dense ladder logic and PLC programming that serve as the central nervous system of modern manufacturing. The physical stakes are immense, with a single command line now controlling the constructive and destructive potential of a massive facility. But behind every mechanical movement lies an invisible architecture of data, breathing life into the steel. Deep within these systems, Python-driven machine learning models are actively predicting and shaping real-world outcomes. Vast data science ecosystems process millions of variables simultaneously, without human intervention, while high-speed optical fiber networks and telecommunications grids carry this staggering global load. This intricate digital framework is the very foundation powering our modern smart grids and advanced electrical engineering systems. Yet orchestrating this immense web of interconnected technology requires someone to hold it all together. Today's professional can no longer survive by knowing only hardware or only software. These disciplines are permanently fused. Keeping these high-stakes projects aligned requires sophisticated digital workflows and dynamic project management, guided by advanced leadership methodologies to deploy complex systems effectively across global teams. The pressure on the individual is absolute. You must simultaneously command machine learning, industrial automation, and project leadership just to remain relevant. How can anyone cross such a massive, intimidating gap in their skills? The bridge across this technological frontier exists, and mastery is within reach. The predictive speed of artificial intelligence, the synchronized force of industrial robotics, the global reach of optical telecommunications, it all converges here. IntellCourses.com is your definitive master key to surviving and leading this new world. Access the platform, join IntellCourses today, and build the intelligent skills of tomorrow.